How to fix Google Chrome app error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome app error on an Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and apps again, and here just type Chrome and click on it. First open force click force stop and then open storage and clear this one here, and then go to permissions, enable all those permissions here, and then that's it. Now just go back and try again. Your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.